Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. It has been long I post all this while. I'm sorry you guys that I haven't posted for a while. Just I'm busy with some things on games. There's some things that I want to find out on this Zoom soccer. So that's why all this while I haven't posted for a while now. So I want to show you the things that I found out concerning how to be getting over 1.5 or how to play straight winning. So I want to show you these trees now. But these trees, each game you open, you have to check their last results. Let's start from England. For example, this first game, Nottingham, Sheffield. So first of all, check their last matches, how they play, their last matches. So first of all, open their statistics. Once you open their statistics, you check their last match. You can see the last match here. Nottingham is on away and they win their away match. Then you have to check all the away match with Nottingham. Did they always win? They only win 2 times now for away match. Now they are home. What about home? Home, have they won before? They haven't won before for home. And now they are home. So Sheffield, what about Sheffield? Sheffield haven't won them on away. Then Sheffield have won them on home once. So between this now, you expected over 1.5 on this game, or Sheffield win or draw. Sheffield win or draw, because Sheffield only won these people once on home. So what you're expecting here is over 1.5, or you play this option. This is the option you can play. This is the easiest option you can play. This chance miss or over. Chance miss or over. That is, which means draw or over 1.5. This is the best option you can play on this. Let's check another teams. For example, let's check Brighton. Their last match. Okay, their last match was draw, and Brighton is on home right now. So what you do here is, you see their last match is how they normally play. See Brighton on their first home match, they play 0-1. They won them. Then second one 0-0. Then on their way last match 0-0, which is draw. So now what you do here is how many times have Brighton won their matches between Brentford? So Brighton have won them only once. Why Brentford have not won them before? Okay, I've won them once. Brentford have won them once on away. Why Brighton have won them once on away too? So not any of these things have won each other on home. So what you do here is to play this one under. Go to under. Or is it? Play it under 3.5. That is the best you can play this match, under 3.5. So let's check another option. Okay, let's go to double chance. Let's go to normal double chance. On this normal double chance, there's something I noticed here that I just find out. Once you see 2 and 3 like this, 2, 3 like this, you have to pick home. Once you see 2, 3 like this, you have to pick home. Home win or draw on double chance. Once you see 2, 3, or you see 3, 4, or you see 5, 6 on home, pick it. Then let's go to another league. Double chance. I will still repeat the same thing. Once you see something like this, Okay, something like this, 0-1. 0-1, you have to pick home. You have to pick home, win or draw on double chance. 0-1. 1-2, you pick home, the one that has 2. 3-4, you pick home, the one that has 4. So these are the things that I just found out all this while. This is what I discover on Zoom, how Zoom is working now. So in case you haven't subscribed, don't forget that this is Correct Bet. In case you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss my new video in case you are new to this channel. So this time around, I'll be posting for you guys tricks. The ones I've found out all this while, I'll be posting for you guys. No matter what I always post for you guys is over 1.5, because I feel that over 1.5 is the easiest option to play on Zoom. Like for other people to play, that's what they understand more easier. So, but double chance is also good, and on double chance you can get at least when you pick few games, you can get 2 odd or 3 odd that you can just bet without picking much games. So double chance is also good. Then another thing I found out is once you come to over goals, open their statistics. Let's see the numbers you're going to see here. Like assuming this is 50% or 26%. Assuming you see this any of this number here on over goals, you just pick it, whether on under or over. But the best you can pick it is on over, especially on over 1.5. For example, you see this 26% on over 1.5, you just pick it. So that's what I just found out. Let's check button to score. Button to score, once you see 1-2, let's see if you can see 1-2 here. 1-2 here, go and play it over 1.5. 1-2, 1-2. Oh, no, it's no 1-2 here. Once you see 1-2 on both team to score, which is go, you see 1-2 or you see 5-6, you go and play it over 1.5. I can't see it here, but I can see it at any time. Both team to score, you see 1-2. I didn't see 1-2. This one is 11-2. So I'm not sure about this one. But what I am sure is 1-2 or 5-6. You pick it. So this is what you'll be doing to get over 1.5 on double chance, as I said. Then I will post again concerning more option on the next video. So I want you guys to understand this one. I don't want to talk much option here so that you don't get confused. I want you to learn this one so it'll be easier for you. If I combine all the whole option here, you'll get more confused. So in case you need more question on teaching and others, you can chat me on WhatsApp on 070-3676-0527. WhatsApp number for Correct Bet is 070-3676-0527. That is the WhatsApp number for Correct Bet. All right, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like, share our videos. All right, see you on the next video. Thanks.